Hello, how are you? Okay, today we are going to start with task 3, I think. We should go to page 24 and 25, okay? And we're going to start with exercise number 1, okay? So we're going to take a look at the grammar a little bit, okay? I want you to have a look to the grammar, because everything now is new. So look, the grammar is: there is some honey, okay, some. There aren't any eggs, and the question: is there any meat? We use any to ask, okay? So we use any to negative sentences and to questions, yes? And we use some with affirmative, okay? And yes, there is, or no, there isn't, if it's not. That's right. So after doing it, we're going to start with exercise number 1. Okay, the exercise number 1 says: listen, look, and circle the correct word. So we have to listen, because this is a listening. We have to look at the picture, and then we have to circle the correct word. In this case is or are, isn't or aren't, yes? So let's listen. Ready? Go.
Listen, look, and circle the correct word.
Welcome to the farmer's market. Look over there. There are some raspberries. They're so red and juicy.
There is some honey over here. It's brown and very sweet.
There's some milk and yogurt. It's so fresh and creamy.
There isn't any cheese. What a shame. I love cheese.
But there are some eggs. They look very fresh.
Oh no! There isn't any meat.
Okay, that's right. So you can listen to it all the times you need, and then circle the correct word. That's right. Okay, now we go to exercise number 2. It's a reading exercise, and the head of it says: read, look, and answer. So we have to read the questions, look at the picture, and answer the questions. Is there any yogurt? Are there any eggs? Is there any cheese? So to answer these questions, you can take a look at the grammar, okay? Here. That's right. So exercise number 3, it's a speaking exercise. So we will do it in the online class, okay? But the mechanical of the exercise is very easy. One of you asks, is there any milk? And the other answer, yes, there is, because there's milk, okay? And one asks, is there any fish? So the other has to answer yes or not. Yes, there is, or no, there isn't. This is the way to play, okay? I'm explaining it here because in this way you can think about it, okay, for the next day. You haven't got to do it at home, but we will do it in the online class. Now we go to page 25, and Take a look at exercise number 1. Let's see exercise number 1. Okay, it says look and write. Here we have 3 expressions. There are a few, there are a lot, there aren't any. So you can think about what's a few, what's a lot, and what's any. Okay? I think you can guess it. Yes, I'm not telling anything to you. So here you've got the grammar that can help you if you need it. But after doing the exercise, okay, first try to guess what is it, and after doing the exercise you can take a look at the grammar. How many green peppers are there? There are a lot. There are a few, or there aren't any green peppers. I think there aren't any green peppers. If the question was how many tomatoes are there, we could say there are a lot, because there are a lot of tomatoes, yes? So here you've got the grammar to help you. Now we go to exercise number 2. And in this exercise you should read and draw. There are a lot of mushrooms. So a lot of, you know the meaning of a lot of. Okay. There are a few eggs. It means that there are eggs, but not much. Okay, not too much. And there aren't any potatoes. No potatoes, yes? So you have to draw. And at last, you have to do exercise number 3. It's a reading and writing exercise. Okay, it says read, look, and complete. Number 1, we have to read the question. How many bananas are there? Think about it. Are there a lot of bananas? Are there a few? Or there aren't any bananas? So you have to ask a lot, a few, or any. Number 2 says, how many tomatoes are there? There are a lot, there are a few, or there aren't any. Here you have a hint, there are. How many mushrooms are there? There aren't. I'm not saying anything. How many raspberries are there? There are a lot, there are a few, or there aren't any. So you have to choose the correct answer and write it. Yes? Remember that you can take a look at the grammar to help you. Yes? Here and here. That's right? So this is all for today. That's right? See you. Bye bye.